Hello everybody, my name is José Manuel Delgado Blasco. I work for Rhea Group, and today I want to talk about OCRE, funding opportunities for the European research community for using OCRE's Procure Cloud and Earth Observation commercial services. Let me talk to you about a bit about the OCRE project. Europe is the largest producer of research data in the world, and the European Commission wants to increase the use of this data and interconnect research infrastructures through the European Open Science Cloud. OCRE is part of the European Open Science Cloud and receives funding from the European Commission. OCRE is composed by GEANT, CERN, Rhea Group, Trusted Services, Six Squared, ERSC, and Evenflow, and they are working together to reach two primary ambitions: to make commercial digital services accessible to the European research community and to stimulate the adoption of these services by putting available €9 million from the European Commission to use these procure services. OCRE will act as a procurement vehicle and will build the bridge between the supplier community and the research community, that they are connected to GEANT through the different end-to-ends. Let me summarize a bit of the OCRE requirement gathering activities. OCRE carry out requirement gathering activities at the beginning of the project to ensure that the cloud and Earth observation procure services that will be served through OCRE will satisfy the researchers' needs. These requirements were gathered by different means, such as polls, surveys, interviews, and more. Only for the Earth observation, the requirements gathered had a huge participation coming from 19 different European countries, covering all the Earth observation domains described in the Earth taxonomy. OCRE funding. OCRE had distributed vouchers among individual researchers for cloud service consumption through Marie Curie, Alumni Association, Eurodoc, and EOS Hub. A dedicated amount of vouchers was also provided for projects with focus on COVID-19 related research. The first open calls of Wave 2, Tape A and B, that corresponds to cloud and Earth observation services, were already closed in 2020, and the projects have been selected with the assistance of the Expert Advisory Board. The OCRE's Expert Advisory Board has been created to assist the OCRE project with establishing impact and selection criteria for adoption funding and to support in the tender process. The board is composed by recognized external experts from diverse stakeholder groups that OCRE engages with. They ensure a fair and transparent evaluation of the tender and adoption funding distribution processes. The advisors work remotely and independently in their personal capacity and not on behalf of an organization, and they were selected based on their field of expertise and proven experience in similar review activities while ensuring that competencies, geographical and gender coverage are factored in accordingly. The OCRE tenders. OCRE published its OCRE IS tender in the official journal of the European Union on 16 April 2020. The estimated total value is €600 million and is executed by OCRE's coordinator, GEANT. The tender was conducted through an open procedure and is divided into 40 lots. Each lot represents one country. Per lot, a number of frameworks have been awarded. Estimated value per lot may vary significantly. Let's have a look at the current status of the OCRE project. OCRE carried out a preparatory study to distribute vouchers for Earth observation services to PhD and master students. The actual procurement of the services and related fund distribution is waiting for a clarification on a taxation issue from the Dutch tax authority. All the tenders of the project are executed by Jan as the coordinator of the OCRE project. Interested service providers will be informed of the publication of the tender via email sent to the OCRE community network and its social channels such as LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you very much for your attention. Do not miss anything. Find all the news in OCRE's website and the social channels.